Hello, I'm Jacob Heglin. This is Brandon Faber and Justin Hood, and we are the Jacob Heglin Realty team. We're located in downtown Ada. We serve most of West Michigan, specifically Ada, Lowell, Cascade, and East Grand Rapids. Specialize in first-time home buyers, all the way up to upper-end homes and waterfront, Thornapple River, Reeds Lake, etc. I've been in the business for a decade. Combined, we have over 20 years of experience. So we're not new to the business. This is just a new, fresh name for the business. So we invite any of the chamber members to contact us. Our website's right here. You can reach us at Jacob Heglund, Heglund, realty.com, or you can call us at 616-682-2820. Again, it's jacobheglundrealty.com, 616-682-2820. Looks like the phone's ringing.